So this week they installed a new food vending machine, and it's freshly baked pizza, so let's pizza. And they are offering a couple of options, as you can see: bacon, slanina, salama, picante salama, so basically spicy salami, chunka ham, margarita. So 4 options, all cost the same, $4.50, and it's done in 3 minutes. I think that this is the first food vending machine of its kind, so at least here in Ljubljana, if not in Slovenia, and we will see if it's popular. I'm not gonna try it because Liza doesn't have patience to wait for 3 minutes, and we have to continue with our walk. And it's just right by the bakery where we buy our morning bread and donuts, of course.